Again to a great do-it-yourself video. Today's video I will be changing out the cover for our dryer vent, and the reason why I'm changing it out is that this is what the cover used to look like, and the birds were getting inside of it and going inside the vent to build nests. So I got them out. So what I'm planning on doing is to replace this type of vent with this vent cover. So if I ever need to clean the vent in the future, all I gotta do is lift it up and clean it up, close it, and to keep out all the pests. Alright, so for this task, we're gonna need a covering. I forgot what I paid for this, maybe $7. And I got some screws. You can pick this up at your local hardware stores. And then I got some exterior wood screw, and it's a 1 inch and 5/8, and I have a Phillips and a screwdriver. I'm sorry, not a screwdriver, a drill. But you can also use a Phillips screwdriver also. But it'll be easier if you just use a drill. Alright? Alright, so if you look in my backyard, there's a lot of trees, right? So there's no reason why the bird would want to sit in the house. These are some weird birds. So I'm going to use a drill and a Phillips head. But you can also use a screwdriver if you have the screw, that self-tapping screw. So this screw right here, you can use this with a regular screwdriver, and I'll show you how when I get to that point. So I'm going to be using a screwdriver just to show you how easy it is. Alright, so the reason, I told you what the reason was for the project earlier up, and I'll show you exactly what was going on. So right here, this little flap right here, when you turn the ventilator on, it comes out. So when it was coming out, you know, it blows out all the exhaust fume here outside the house. So I happened to see a bird one time. What he did, he sat right here. He took his beak and lift this up and then crawl right in, and they stay there for the night. So during the morning, what they'll do, they come out and they fly right out. Basically, this is called a dryer vent cover, and this one you can pick up at any hardware store. It is it's considered pest control. This is a pest control one, and the thing I like about this, so if you need to clean the vent for any reason it is clogged up, you just lift this piece up and then you can put it in. As far as what type of vent cover you have, I don't know. So the type that I have, I can just pull it off, and it comes right off. It just have some snapping at the side of it, and it comes right off. Alright, so now all I gotta do is put this guy up here, and I basically put one. Alright, so put my cover in, so you know, say put one screw in. I mean, you can pre-drill it, whatever makes you feel comfortable. So I'm just showing you how easy it is. See, I just go like that. And then got another one right here. Top one. The only thing is, if you're afraid of height, get a professional. You know, it might cost you a little bit, but you know. But it doesn't take that long. I got 4. I replaced it 4. This is my 4th one. So I decided just to show you the video of how easy it is. Of how easy it is to change out. So keep those pesky birds out. So now the birds can't get in there. And if I ever want to clean it in the future, all I gotta do is lift that up, clean whatever is out there, close it back. That's so simple. Alright, subscribe, and you can also visit the website that sponsored this video. Thank you. Okay.